To be well groomed in the whack, your hair should be neither too long nor too short, but an appropriate length for the uniform and the cap. To look your best, brush your hair once a day and wash it at least once a week. Put it up at night if that's the way to keep it looking neat, and don't borrow anyone else's hairbrush or comb. They're as personal as a toothbrush. Brush your teeth after every meal. There's only one right way to brush your teeth. That's not it, Private Baker. Brush with an up and down motion, gently massaging your gums while you clean your teeth. That's more like it, Private Baker. What you put on it at night is your own affair. But what you put on your face in the daytime is the Army's business. You will not have the time, Private Baker, to put on a complicated makeup like that every day. But more important, wearing a lot of makeup with the whack uniform is bad taste. Powder and lipstick are enough. Follow the natural shape of your lips and blot off any excess lipstick with a cleansing tissue. Another part of good grooming is the care of your hands and nails. Keep them clean, and keep your nails short so they don't interfere with your work. If you use nail polish, use a moderate or colorless one, and keep your polish neat. Hardly anything looks worse than chipped nail polish. Carry your comb and lipstick with you during the day. And make a point of freshening up your appearance between classes, so you will always look neat. When you go into town to buy your pumps, let good taste be your guide. Get a plain black leather pump of suitable commercial design with closed toe and heel. Be sure the heel is at least 1.5 inches high, but not more than 3 inches high. With these rules in mind, you are free to select any pair of plain, high-heeled black leather pumps that suits your fancy and expresses your individuality. Fancy shoes do not belong with a military uniform. They are as inappropriate as this would be.
That's all.